Hello everyone, today we will learn total internal reflection in a prism and few important questions from this section which has already come in your ICSE examination. Okay, right now we have a prism. Okay, it is a right angled isosceles prism. Let us assume it is A and this is B and it is C. Okay, as we can see, the ray of light is incident on the surface BC. Okay, we can see that. Now since the ray of light is incident normally, the ray of light will pass undeviated. It will go in a straight line. Okay, because the incidence is normal. After it reaches the second surface, out there it makes a certain angle with the surface. Okay, that angle is 60 degree. How did we get 60 degree? I'll show you. We already know this is 90 degree, and the angle out here it is given 30 degree. So 90 plus 30 is 120, and we already know the total angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So the third angle will be 180 minus 20 equals to 60 degree. So this angle is our 60 degree. Okay, you have to understand that way. Now after getting this angle, we draw a normal on the surface. Okay, and we try to find out the angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is not 60 degree out here. Remember, angle of incidence is not 60 degree. We always find angle of incidence with respect to normal. Okay, so the angle of incidence is, I'll just show you one more time. Since it is normal, total angle is 90 degree. Okay, total is 90 degree. 60 is already gone, so the remaining angle is 30 degree. So we got angle of incidence in the denser medium is 30 degree. Now what is the critical angle? Critical angle given in the question, it is 42 degree. Okay, and out here the angle of incidence is 30 degree. Now the ray of light will pass like this. Okay, since the angle of incidence is less than critical angle, the ray of light will just deviate from its path. Okay, just this is the first question. Now let us move on to the next question. This question has also already come in the ICSE examination. This is a equilateral prism. All the angles are 60 degree, and the ray of light is incident. Okay, on the surface, making an angle 90 degree out here. We can see the angle is 90 degree. It is incident out here. Since it is incident out here, okay, let us see what is next. We'll try to find that angle. Okay, this. Okay, now I'll show you. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is 60 degree. So 90 plus 60 is 150, and the remaining third angle will be 30 degree because total angle is 180 degree. Remember that. 90 plus 60, 150, and remaining angle is 30 degree because total angle is always 180 degree. Now we will try to find out angle of incidence. And this is our angle of incidence because angle of incidence is always found with respect to normal. So let us see how much is our, again before going to the angle of incidence, remember this angle is 90 degree because it is a normal. This is 90 degree. Okay, now our angle of incidence will be 60 degree because 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Since angle of incidence is 60 degree, according to the law of reflection, angle of refraction will also be 60 degree. Okay, let us go. So this angle is, okay, just show me, let me show you. This angle is also 60 degree because angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. Okay, since this is let's see what else is given. Okay, just give me one moment. Okay, okay, now finish this. We finish this. Okay, this is 60 degree. Now since this is 60 degree, this will be a 30 degree because total is 90 degree. This is a 30 degree, and this is here 90 degree, and this is already given, which is 60 degree. Okay, we can find answer in any way we like. Since this is 30, this is 60, this is a 90 degree, and since the ray of light is incident normally, it will pass undeviated like this. Okay, the ray of light will not deviate, and so this will be a final direction of the emergent light. Alright, now next we have, this is very important question which has been coming in ICSE regularly. Okay, This question has been repeated quite a few times. Very important question. Now there is a sort of class, okay, object ABC, and the ray of light is incident, okay. And since this is a class, we already know the critical angle for glass air interface is 42°. But out here, since the first angle out here is 42° and total angle is 90°, so the angle of incidence out here is 48°. Okay, if we add 42 and 48, it will be 90. So the angle of incidence is always measured with respect to normal. So angle of incidence out here is 48°. Okay, and since angle of incidence is greater than critical angle is 42°. Always given critical angle equals to 42°. So angle of incidence is out here 48°. Okay, because angle of incidence we always measure with respect to normal. How did we get this 48°? Since this angle is 42 and the total is 90, the remaining angle will be 42°. Okay, now since angle of incidence in the denser medium is 48°, which is greater than critical angle, ray of light will reflect back into the same medium. Total internal reflection will take place and reach the surface BC. Okay, now let's see what are the angles. Since this is 48, this is also 48, and this angle is also 48. For this you have to know geometry. Okay, geometry is very important for this particular section. You have to have an idea. So this is 48°, which means this is also 48°. Okay, and this angle will be 42°. This angle will be 42°. Okay, because if we add this two, it will become 90°. So this is 42° out here. Okay, now let's see what I've written. Yes, that is 48°. I already told you. This is also 48. I already told you. And this angle is 42 because 48 plus 42 is 90. Now this is my angle of incidence. This is my angle of incidence because angle of incidence we always measure with respect to normal. Angle of incidence is 42°. Critical angle is also 42°, which means out here the angle of incidence is same as critical angle. Okay, so the ray of light will pass through the surface like this, making an angle 90° in the rarer medium. Okay, critical angle is the angle of incidence in the denser medium, corresponding to which angle of refraction is 90° in the rarer medium. So ray of light will pass like this through the surface. Okay, so these are the few examples which I have shown you, and these are the very important examples. Now after this, I have given you 3 homeworks which you have to complete and send it to me. 1, homework number 2, and homework number 3. Complete this homework.